हाँ जी, क्या नाम है आपका?
मेरा नाम शोभना है।
हाँ जी, शोभना, कहाँ आए और क्या सीखा आपने?
मैं आयु सूत्रा फाउंडेशन में आई और मैं यहाँ पर रेकी सीखने के लिए आई हूँ। और रेकी बेसिकली मुझे रेकी के बारे में यहाँ आने से पहले कुछ भी नहीं पता था। यहाँ आने के बाद मुझे बेसिक से रेकी के बारे में पता चला कि बेसिकली रेकी है क्या। पहले भी मैंने ट्राई किया था रेकी सीखने की, अनफॉर्चुनेटली नहीं सीख पाई थी। बट अब यहाँ सीखने के बाद आई फेल्ट कि आई हैव मतलब मिस्ड पहले काफ़ी कुछ। और अभी इट्स लाइक कि the energy and the positivity which I am taking with me, and which I felt here, is definitely great. And how it works, how it transforms your transform your energy, how it regulates your chakras, and so it's altogether, you cannot express them, these this feeling in, it's very difficult for me to express this feeling in words. But I must say it's altogether a very different kind of a feeling. And with the and I always had a positive thought that I should be able to help the society, I should be able to heal the people, because I somehow I am into a profession in which I get to see people worrying for with worrying for their health or something. So I want to, like, I always had a thought that if I can do something for them. So I am very hopeful that with this knowledge, and with I'll be able to help them, at least heal. If I can heal them, it will be like a great thing. But if I can help them at least to overcome their miseries, so it will be great. And I am hoping that I'm going to continue this, practicing this, and I'm going to propagate this uh, knowledge also. And this basically, this is what should I say, that this flow of energy, I would like to propagate this flow of energy so that it helps the mankind.
राइट। बहुत अच्छा, मतलब लगा आपको ये सुनकर, बड़ा अच्छा लगा, है ना? शक्ति फ़ील हुई?
Yes, I definitely felt when ma'am was propagating the Shakti Vidya. So
हुँ।
I felt that.
यहीं क्यों सीखना चाहिए?
जैसा कि मैंने, like I told you before, that I have tried learning it before also, but I could not. But after coming to this place, like I came to know from the basics. Like so many people will teach you only theoretical part. They will not tell you the proper application of that. So I felt that here I could, first obviously you should know, you should have the knowledge of subject, then only you can understand and then apply that. So I felt ki first it was started from basics, and then that uh, the theory, and then the application of that was taught. So in the initial first class, all the theoretical aspects were told to me from the basics, and then in the second class I was told about how to apply that, and with the, like, we had a session of practical application. So I feel ki we should matlab, it's a good place to learn Reiki.
मुझे भी बहुत अच्छा लगा आपसे मिलकर। गॉड ब्लेस यू।
Thank you.